In this video, I'll show you how to fix the social club account specified does not own a valid license to GTA 5 error. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so if you're trying to launch FiveM and you're getting this error, don't worry, this is pretty common. Even if you legitimately own GTA 5, FiveM may not be able to verify your game license. The common cause of this error is signing into the wrong Rockstar Social Club account. So on Rockstar Games Launcher, make sure you sign in into the correct Rockstar account and it owns GTA 5. Once you sign into the correct account, you need to launch GTA 5 normally before launching FiveM. Alright, if you're already using the correct Rockstar account, the next thing to try is refreshing your game license. Just open up the launcher where you purchased GTA 5, whether that's Steam, Epic Games Launcher, or the Rockstar Games Launcher. Now what you need to do is just launch GTA 5 normally, wait until the game loads completely into story mode. Once you're in, you can exit the game completely, and now you can launch FiveM again. Launching GTA 5 first allows Rockstar to verify that your account owns a legitimate copy of the game. For many players, this simple step is enough to resolve the error immediately. And that's it. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.